Oh. Why the damn hell do Epic have to do their events so early in the morning? Today is the day the volcano nuts in November. What? Nuts in May. We're saying goodbye to Tilted Towers. We're saying goodbye to Retail Row. And something's happening at Loot Lake. I got no idea, but as the leading scientist in the dumb shit scientific field, I must investigate. Even if it's at 4 a.m. I land at Retail Doghouse every single game. This is actually a really sad day for me. I would like some Fs in chat, please. Some code lasers in the store. I am fucking tired. All right, Boomer, you used to work for Epic. What do we think's gonna happen?
Well, now I can't say anything just in case something does happen that I guess, and you guys try to
Kevin. Kevin's coming from Loot Lake. He's gonna come back. Yo, Tilt's about to get yeeted. 1 minute 50 seconds until the event. Alex is our reporter at the volcano. Alex, what's going on over there, buddy?
Nothing is happening.
All right, interesting.
Couldn't even
Oh,
what was that?
The HUD's gone.
What was
oh,
that?
the HUD's gone. Oh no,
my God.
I can feel some
We're
spooky
invincible.
crap going on.
We're invincible, boys.
Okay, I'm up on a platform right now. Can kind of see Tilted a little bit.
Time is 0. The
Timer is 0. Yo, come on, boys. I'm gonna be on the ground here. What's happening? Yeah, this is the biggest
like
blue
your
balls of me life. Okay, the volcano's doing nothing. Tilted is doing nothing, according to Elliot. And
Lennon, can we check in with a report on the
oh
vault here?
my God! It's a giant double pump coming back from the dead. So after sitting there for 15 minutes, we decided to see if anyone else was having issues with the event starting. Meanwhile, on Ninja's stream.
Oh! Wait, what is that? Look, it's like a rocket. It's a squid.
Yeah, basically for 50% of people, the event didn't happen.
No, I just went on Ninja and I just saw some weird stuff happening. We got scammed.
Nah.
Are you serious? We missed this event?
What?
You're not.
David, you guys missed it too?
Bro, you're telling me? Are you serious?
Epic!
Are you serious? Like, I don't understand. How do you fuck this up? It's an LTM. That's it. Nah, honestly, I might fucking straight up quit Fortnite. I might just like quit Fortnite.
Wait.
Oh, 9 seasons of this goddamn destroy Tilted shit, and we missed the event. Are you fucking serious? All this build up, all the runes, figuring out all that shit. Oh, what's going to get unvaulted? My fucking game's getting unvaulted, uninstalled, more like it, motherfuckers. I'm breaking shit. All right, so we now have to witness this event via replay. We got unbelievably screwed. Honestly, in a lot of ways, it's kind of funnier. So now we are forced to watch a replay of it, you know? Like, it's not the same. It's not the same as witnessing this in person. Oh, what's happening? Oh, it's opening. The vault. It's opening. Oh my God, this would have been incredible to have witnessed in person. I would have loved to have been in that beam of light. Oh, some cool stuff about to happen. Oh, you can go inside it. Jump in, cowboy woman. I want to see what happens. Oh, crap. Nah, full spins you around. That's sick. Oh, so this is inside the vault. Oh, I get it. So this is where they store all the vaulted items, and you voted by hitting the item you want to come back. Man, that would have been so cool to experience in person. Yeah, see, everyone's voting for drum gun. You bastards! You do not want that back. Why do you still return back? You go into the darkness. Turn back to the light. Shout out to this one guy trying to vote for planes. Like, respect to you, default. Respect. So this would be a worldwide vote. So worldwide, the majority of people are voting for the damn drum gun. They unvaulted the drum gun. That is the drum gun being unvaulted. Man, this would have been incredible to have experienced in person. Oh my God. So now they're getting launched back out of the vault? That would have been dope to experience in person. Oh, Mary Mother Magdalene. Okay, we can go back to drone free now. Look at that volcano. Holy. Oh, imagine experiencing this in person. But at least with replay, we can see it in slow-mo. Where's it going? Oh! No! No! Retail? Doghouse. Please spare Doghouse. Oh. I don't think Doghouse is feeling so good, boys. Nah, see, you can already tell most of retail is being completely yeeted. This was the best event in Fortnite history, and we damn well missed it. This is insanity. Oh, the next one. This is the Tilted one. After 9 seasons, Tilted is finally getting yeeted. Oh, no. It wasn't Tilted. It was the iceberg. Oh, no, this is the Tilted one. Oh, when the volcano finally nuts. Yep, that's a quadruple meteor. Tilted. 9 seasons in, and it's gone. To think we missed it live. Oh, there's another one. To think we missed this all live. I am so heartbroken. I'm considering quitting Fortnite, but I did get my supporter creator code tattooed on me, so I probably shouldn't quit Fortnite. Look at it. It's a molten mess. It's all gone. The TTVs will have no place to land anymore. The streamer by the ways will spread across the map. They're coming for me. I like how the one building that always gets destroyed in Tilted is the last building standing. Oh, I thought for a second Greasy might be back, but it's not. Yeah, you can see it's cracked the iceberg. Scary stuff. Half a retail row was just completely eaten. Yes, it's been turned into Play-Doh. Oh, thank God. Oh, mate, I am so happy now. Doghouse survives. Oh, God, thank you, Queen. All right, in honor of its return, just for a quick meme, and because I have a lot of pent-up aggression, let's go into Team Rumble, find a drum gun, and just spray some kids for like 5 minutes. That's all I want to do. I need that happiness boost in my life. Wow, the map is so grey now. This is weird. You can just tell something monumental happened. Man, it would have been so epic to watch that in person. Look at it. It's a destroyed piece of potato. We're gonna get a drum gun. I'm gonna spray some kids for like 3 minutes, cheer myself up. That's what's gonna happen. I woke up at 4 a.m. for this shit. Yes, the drum gun. All right, so if you do not recall, the drum gun used to be the most overpowered weapon in Fortnite. Like, it was ridiculous. So I look forward to using it again. Now I'm just gonna shield up. Now let's go spray some kids and have a look at Tilted. Oh my word. Have a look. Would you have a look at this? See, the drum gun is overpowered as hell. Just sprayed that guy from 66 meters up. It's an SMG. All right, see? This is what I wanted to do. I just wanted to spray some kids. Oh, this feels so good. This feels incredible. All right, give me the drift board. This wasn't around the last time drum guns were in the game. I'm gonna do some drive-by sprays like I'm a gangster from the 20s. Oh, mate, look at Tilted. This thing is cooked. All right, let's get a second drum gun. I need a second one. Well, Tilted, you look like a destroyed piece of shit now. Congratulations. All right, we got 2 drum guns. Let's cheer myself up by doing some quick drive-bys. Oh, yeah, here we go. Here's some enemies. Okay, yep. Feels good. Cheer me up, drum gun. Cheer me up. Yep, that's... Yep, you can try it. See, the drum gun is ridiculous. Oh, mate, and on a drift board, it has like no accuracy loss. This is actually a disgusting strategy. Yep, you tried, buddy. You tried. Yeah, you tried, buddy. Good job. Good job gliding in on me. Like, I just beat a shotgun in the 1v1. I'm an actual monster. Got him. Drive by. You can't outspray the drum gun, buddy. It just doesn't happen. Yep. Got him. Yeah, the only thing that can kill me is literally a drum gun as well. You're done. Yeah. I got the elimination as I flew. It doesn't quite make up for the event, but it's still fun. Got him. Get sprayed, bro. Drive, boys. I got a couple of them. Honestly, like, Team Rumble, I never play it, but it is such a fun mode to do just random shit in. All right, I had my fun. Dropped a quick 20 bomb. Drum gun is disgusting. Can't wait to hear all the people complaining about it tomorrow. Honestly, Fuck epic. How do you make so many people miss the event? I have so much eye ligma. And I didn't even get to see the event. I could still make it a video because I know you're gonna damn well enjoy my misery. So bloody hell, that's it. I'm done. I'm rage quitting.
One.